Want to host the ultimate backyard brunch this May? Whether it's for Mother's Day or just celebrating spring, here's how to do it effortlessly and in style. Start by setting the scene. Think soft pastels, fresh blooms like tulips and peonies, and comfy seating with colorful cushions. Add string lights for that magical touch if your brunch runs into the evening. Keep the menu simple but delicious. A DIY yogurt parfait bar with fresh berries and granola lets guests customize their own. Mini spinach frittatas are easy to make ahead and always a crowd pleaser. Add a fresh fruit platter for color and sweetness. Don't forget a DIY mimosa bar. Sparkling wine, fresh juices, and fruit garnishes make sipping fun and festive. Set the mood with a chill playlist featuring soulful, upbeat tunes. It keeps the vibe light and inviting all brunch long. Add personal touches like monogrammed napkins or place cards to honor moms, or just celebrate spring. Gather your friends, relax, and enjoy a beautiful backyard brunch to remember.